Today I got something special. After waiting for 5 months, I got this Digimon Color Pad that do collaboration with Monster Hunter for their 20th anniversary. And I picked the RATHALLOS version. There is a Xenograph version as well. And they only do pre-order, and I did mine on September or maybe October 2024. Now let's unbox it. But first, I need to take off this tape. There it is. And they use Type-C cable for charging, and we got it for free. Oh, the keychain part really stuck in there. Okay, there we go. So far, the paint job is not bad at all. So let's observe it close up. Okay, so here's the front, and there is the charging port. Now we're gonna look to the side and to the back. There is the logo of the Monster Hunter. And this is the charging port again. For the keychain, it's quite basic like the other Pipette device. Okay, now time to turn it on. Maybe press and hold the button. Oh, here we go. And for the first screen, we're gonna get the time. So the time is quite important since we need to set up the time. For some monster can be obtained during day or night cycle. And there's the egg. It will hatch. Oh, it cracked first. Okay. And during the egg stage, I think we only can wait because I cannot do anything at all. And this is the detail for the egg later. And after a couple minutes, the egg will crack and there will be a little monster peek. Okay, now there's an interesting part. If we press and hold the third button to access the option, there's gonna be 4 main options. Okay, for the first option is for background. It will be unlocked as we got the monster or go to the quest. And this is for the brightness. It will adjust the level of it, 1 until 5. And if you don't like the beeping sound from this device, the third option is your best friend. And the very last one is to shut down the device. And this is the available monster like Rajam, Tigrex, Gormagala, Xenograph, RATHALLOS, Kezu, Mitsusude, and Nargacuga. Okay, and since I'm busy to record this video, I didn't train my monster at all during the egg stage, and I got this young Kezu. So let's give the monster something to eat. And we do have meat, like the other Digimon Pipette, and there is like the vitamin stuff. Okay, and this is for train the monster. Okay, after changing some background that I got from getting the kazoo, let's try the quest mode. I don't know how many quests that we're gonna have, but we're gonna try for the first level.